In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly insert a box into a Microsoft Word document using the equation feature. This is a great time-saving tip if you frequently work with documents that require specific box text or just want to enhance the layout of a page. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. Make sure the document you have in mind is ready for editing, or you can start with a blank slate if that suits your project. Either way, just ensuring that your workspace is prepared will help you seamlessly integrate this new design element. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a series of tabs. You'll want to click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all sorts of handy tools for enriching your document, from images and shapes to tables and more. Once you're on the Insert tab, look for the Equation option. It's usually placed toward the right side of the ribbon, perhaps near symbols or other mathematical tools. When you click Equation, a fresh equation window will pop up on your document. This is the space where we're going to work our magic. Now here comes the fun part. In that equation window, type in a simple command, / followed by the word box. So that's /, then the letters BOX. Once you've typed that in, hit the space key on your keyboard. Watch carefully as, just like that, a neat, clear box appears right where your cursor is. It's an efficient way to create a visual enclosure for text or numbers without having to draw shapes manually. And there you have it. You're done. The box is now a part of your document, ready for whatever content you choose to include within it. This box can be moved, resized, or styled to fit the particular needs of your document. It's a versatile tool, especially useful for educators, students, and professionals who need to highlight certain aspects of their work. That wraps up our quick and easy guide to inserting a box in Microsoft Word using the equation feature. Whether you're organizing your notes, working on a detailed report, or just enjoying the artistic layout, this trick is sure to save you some time and add a polished touch to your documents. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.